Taste it. Oh, beautiful. Yuzuの輪切り。そして鶏骨付きもも肉。In this bottle, I have 1 part soy sauce, 1 part sake, and 1 part mirin. And keep it in the room temperature. And this is called kuwayaki barbecue sauce. Kuwayaki no tare. Very, very useful, multi-purpose, all-purpose. You can marinate chicken, fish, duck. In this, just to pour the marinade in so you can minimize the use of the marinade if you use the bag like this. Put yuzu in and seal. Keep it in the fridge overnight for about, say, 6 to 8 hours, and you can just flip over after 3 or 4 hours. See, like that. In the fridge. It's actually 11:15 in the morning, so I'll marinate for about 6-7 hours, and then I'll cook it. I'll cook the chicken for dinner. Been marinated in kuwayaki barbecue sauce for over 7 hours now. Take it out and drain the marinade. Oh, this is big. And of course with yuzu, beautiful flavor of yuzu is now in the chicken. Just drain it. Olive oil. The marinade has been drained. We want to sear the inside. Low, reduce it to low. Roast the vegetables in the frying pan with a heavy bottom with a lid on. Have a look, 15 minutes. Almost there, just a little bit more. Hot inside, veggies cooked. So take out the veggies. Reheating the broccolis. Oof. Nice sauce. Because the chicken's been marinated in soy sauce, mirin and sake, and it just, you can make, the sauce is there. Sauce is there. Quick and easy. With a frying pan, with a little frying pan, heavy bottom frying pan, just whipped up the roasted chicken within 20 minutes. Now, bon appetit. Cheers everyone. Thank you for watching us.
こっちやってもいいよ。
美味しそう、そっちの方が。
サラダいいや。
The broccoli stem. Steamed roasted in the chicken. Smells good. This is good. Very simple. Quick and easy to make. Just whip up the roasted chicken in the oven, because not many Japanese people have oven in their home. Mike. Just in 20 minutes. It's just cooked. Cooked all right. No blood. It still is juicy. So, I've eaten most of the chicken. Now,
Okay. No.
The sauce is good. It's just sake, soy sauce, and milk mixed together. With yuzu, that makes a difference. And with the yuzu zest, that makes a difference too. But the sauce tastes so good. My. Oh, sauce, 美味しいな。Flavor, yuzu, and sake, soy sauce, and mirin. All Japanese basic seasonings. Plus, yuzu makes such a great difference. Moreとパン食べたい。ソースがない。
あるよ、これ。
ご飯食べよう。はい。最後は日本人はご飯を食べます。
おかずある。ない
あ、おかずあるやん。
どこに？
ここにいっぱいある。残しとる。The chicken was too big for mom. She couldn't eat it. You can have it
これは食べる。
tomorrow. Chicken
もう
sandwich.
食べれへん。大きいの。
取らへんよ。明日食べよう。いやー、さすがに腹いっぱいや。大きいもん。
私。
Oh. Happy and content. Thank you very much for watching. So I've just emptied the bottle to marinate the chicken. So I need to refill. One part. $150 ml. Kikkoman all-purpose. Cook Yuzu soy sauce. And another 150 sake. Locally made in Hida region, deep northern mountainous region of the prefecture. Oh. Mirin. Sweet sake. Made from sweet rice. Sweet rice. Mochigome. Sticky mochigome. So that's it. I refilled the kuwayaki. I've just made kuwayaki no tare, kuwayaki barbecue sauce. Multi-purpose. Very useful. So I just keep it in the room temperature. I use it in many different dishes as a sauce. Quick and easy. So nice to have it in your kitchen. Useful.